So South Seas Data is in the business of support and asset management of computer hardware.
Primarily, South Seas Data deals in depot, so equipment life cycle, purchasing and procurement, all the way to troubleshooting, repair, and development of software and images for that hardware.
So we handle break fixes for a large amount of hardware, PCs, computers, any peripheral you can think of, or probably deploying it.
So most of our customers here at South Seas Data are typically in the financial services industries.
Transfer money order verticals is one of our big ones.
Whether it be check scanners or PCs or credit card terminals, we're generally supporting fintech type companies.
You would find our point of sale products in just about every area everywhere in North America.
So any grocery store, gas station, probably some of the hardware we've either deployed, repaired, or refurbished.
South Seas Data supports about 140,000 locations throughout North America. One of the things that sets South Seas apart is we have the ability to put programs in place for these customers that are a broad range of hardware and not just specific to one platform.
We pretty much develop everything in-house here to suit our customers' needs, and a lot of that includes building out the individual components and parts of the PCs. So we tend to try to find reliable manufacturers to get a lot of this stuff from, and at least over the years, Kingston has been one of the best ones for us, for memory, for solid-state drives.
We tend to choose Kingston products because the relationship has always been great between both parties with South Seas and Kingston, very cooperative to meet our customer needs.
We've been using Kingston products since 2010. We have a locked bill of materials, which is very important for us to maintain.
When I'm involved with clientele and we're putting together solutions, the longevity is very important for some of our clientele. It helps lower operating costs. It extends their lifespan for hardware.
Making sure we pick reliable hardware, so the hardware's never going down. Making sure we use reliable memory, reliable motherboards, reliable processors. Performance-wise, we're not building race cars here. We're just building workhorses. Really, it's the durability. Consumer PC might last around 3 to 4 years. We've got systems that are lasting 10 years, and I would say that Kingston's product is behind some of that.
We choose Kingston products because we have a long history of relationships with Kingston. We work with the same people on a consistent basis. We are responded to from the Kingston reps, whether that be inside reps, external reps. We are provided good pricing, competitive pricing.
There's a lot of support mechanisms that Kingston's put in place with us to help us on a day-to-day business needs.
If any issues arise or we need to have any questions resolved, whether that's memory timing questions or anything like that, answers come very quickly. And if we run into any roadblocks, those are usually resolved very quickly as well.
And that sets Kingston apart from many other vendors and suppliers that I've worked with.
It gives us a solid product that we don't have to consider is going to be an issue down the road or not supportable down the road. If our products don't work properly, then our customer's customer can't do anything and they can't help their customers. So there's a lot of lost revenue on that aspect. Primarily, a lot of these people are trying to send money to families, to support families. Somebody's got medical bills they need to pay, and they need to do that through a service at one of these customer locations. If that hardware isn't functioning properly, they can't do that.
Kingston has helped us solve many problems, especially during COVID when supply chains were tight. A lot of folks were having less inventory on the shelves. Kingston was always there to help meet our customers' needs.
We actually continued to grow throughout COVID with the help of Kingston.
Our partnership with Kingston has been wonderful. It's a big company, but it seems small because everyone is so down to earth and friendly and great to work with.
We strongly believe at South Seas Data that Kingston is here with us. Essentially, putting Kingston memory into our hardware allows us to provide the reliable product that our customers rely on us to have.
My responsibility is to make sure that our organization is capable of supporting our customers. We are able to move quickly, we can change pace quickly, and with Kingston being a partner and a good partner of ours for many years, we feel they're a good partner to move in those directions and support South Seas.